So why are we using Kali for this course? Kali is considered to be the premier operating system for penetration testing, forensics, security audit, and other related uses. It's an easy to use platform and consider it as a weapon for you in order to perform any kind of security engagement, because it is an all-in-one solution that has lots of security applications, as we're going to see. Kali is the successor of Backtrack, which used to have many applications that performed similar functionality. This duplication in applications has been removed in Kali. The main features of Kali are that it's always a free system. It's a robust solution that can be updated very easily. It has more than 300 penetration testing tools, which is really awesome. It has support for lots of devices, including Raspberry Pi, microcomputers, Android. Discover that during the course. It's completely customizable and it has multilingual support. The main tools that we will be exploring during this course are the ones listed here and more. But just to give you an overview, some of these tools are Metasploit, that is used for network penetration testing, the Nmap for vulnerability scanning, Wireshark to monitor the traffic, AirCrackNG to crack into wireless network, John the Ripper password utility, and so on and so forth. We will discover these applications and more, as I said, in this course. It's not only theoretical. We will see how to use and leverage the information that we will learn on Kali machine directly.